Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Indah Safitri from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia with my team, Mr. Ahmad Samsudin and Mr. Andy Suhendi from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I will present our research article with the title Development and Validation, LMMCQI Instrument to Measure Student Science Process Skill in Linear Motion. Linear motion is one of concept physics. The concept most experienced misconception is the concept of gravitational influence on the velocity of the object in motion free fall. Student misconception that is heavier object fall faster than lighter object. Science process skill is ability that must be owned by the scientist on the process of scientific discovery. Science process skill are divided to groups, that is basic science process skill and integrated science process skill. The basic science process skill include observing, classifying, communicating, measuring, concluding, and predicting. The integrated skills are more complex skills that include identifying variable, constructing a table of data, constructing a graph, describing relationship between variables, acquiring and processing data, analyzing investigation, constructing hypotheses, defining operational variables, designing investigation, and experimenting. In the previous research, the research already developed instrument who can measure student size process skill of physics in many shapes instrument. They are in multiple choice question, essay test, or on summative test item. But the instrument has developed and analyzed using a classic technique. Research framework. Student science process skill still not too much developed by teacher. So the solution is we development instrument to measure science process skill in the shape of multiple choice question apply to linear motion concepts, and the instrument analyzed with RAS model. So the product is LMMCQI, and we know the quality of LMMCQI from the validity and reliability. The research aims to develop instrument science process skill on the linear motion with multiple choice question. Method. Participants in this study were 22 students. They are from 10 boys and 12 girls in the 11th grade, in average 16 until 17 years old of high school in Bandung, West Java. This study is ADDIE. The first stage is analyzing. In the first stage, we analyze the problem and student analyze. And the second stage is designing. We design or we plan the instrument of science process skill. The third stage is developing. In this stage, we realization of a product design that has been made before. In the fourth stage, who is implementing, we applying the LMMCQI to students to know the validate and reliability instrument LMMCQI. And the last stage is evaluating. We evaluate or we revision the LMMCQI instrument. This research is development of science process skill instrument for students in high school. LMMCQI is prepared for tests for assessing 7 indicator science process skill. It includes to observing, classifying, interpreting data, predicting, hypothesizing, planning the experiment, then applying the concept. From table 1, we can know the number of items for each component science process skill indicator. Item number 1, 2, and 3 has a science process skill indicator observing. For item number 4, it has a science process skill indicator classifying. From item number 5 and 6, it has a science process skill indicator interpreting data. Item number 7, 8, and 9, it has science process skill indicator predicting. Item number 10 and 11, it has science process skill indicator hypothesizing. Item number 12 and 13, it has science process skill indicator planning the experiment. And item number 14 and 15, it has science process skill indicator applying the concept. From the figure 3, we can see the sample test item for number 11 that has a science process skill indicator hypothesizing. The researcher used the analysis of the modern item using item response test or ERT. Item response test theory is specific to one parameter RAS model. The criteria used to check the suitability of item that could be outliers or misfit is referred to three psychometric attributes of each item that can be generated from RAS model software. We use a mini step 4.8.0 software to analyze the data. The three psychometric attribute: 1. Outfit mean square value, 2. Z standard outfit value, and 3. Point measure correlation value. Result and discussion. The result shows the person reliability is 0.68 and 0.71 in category pair, and the result shows item reliability 0.80 and 0.81 in category good. The reliability of interaction between person reliability and item reliability is described by Cronbach alpha, who has value 0.75 in category acceptable. The reliability result show that LMMCY instrument is reliable. The validity instrument who can know from the measurement value of raw variance is 36.9%. The value of the validity is more than 20%. It can be said the instrument LMMCY is valid. From the table 2, we can know the analysis of LMMCY validity. From 15 items, 9 items meet 3 criteria of the 3 category of item suitability. And 4 item is number 3, 4, 10, and 15 is fulfill 1 category of item suitability. And 2 items, number 5 and number 8, doesn't meet 3 category of item suitability, so it need to be replaced or eliminated. It can be closed from 15 items, 13 items are valid, and 2 items, number 5 and 8, needs to be eliminated or replaced. From this picture is a work map. We can know the most difficult item, middle difficult item, and lowest difficult item. And we know a student who has a high ability in science process skill, medium ability, and low ability. So, item who has the most difficult item is number 3. Item who has the lowest difficult is number 10 and 5, and the other item number has a middle difficult item. The student who has a high ability is a student number 1 and number 11 who have a gender male, and the student who has a low ability is number 14, 16, and 19. A student who has number 14 and 16 as a gender female, and student who has number 19 has gender male, and the other student who has a medium ability. Conclusion. The LMMCQI is instrument to measure the science process skill of students and aspect of knowledge. The specification of LMMCQI are the indicator of science process skill that be assessed are observing, classifying, interpreting data, predicting, hypothesizing, planning the experiment, and applying the concept. 2. The format assessment is multiple choice question. 3. There is 15 of test item. 4. The item reliability of LMMCQI is 0.81 and the person reliability is 0.71. 5. From 15 items, 13 items are valid and 2 items, number 3 and number 5 and 8, needs to be replaced or eliminated. This is my presentation. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.